We're working on a swather today. Getting ready to change this upper crimper bearing right here. Hadn't completely failed yet, but it's getting where it's, after the customer's running, it gets so hot that he can't touch it anymore. So we're getting ready to change that out. Got this new set of 3/8 drive impact sockets from Milwaukee with the new Gen 3 impact here. And one thing I like about this set, it goes all the way to 24 and goes as small as a 6mm. It's got quite the range of sockets there, no skips. It's got metric and standard, both deep. But